We are GSJJ. If you are not familiar with the production process, if you have a good idea or a manuscript, don't worry, use our system to solve all your problems at once. Are you ready? Start to order now. GSJJ provides massive styles, sizes, colors, upgrade options, attachments, and packages to choose from. Go factory direct and save. Sometimes we have special offers, up to 40% off. Want any special options? Contact us. Your satisfaction is our #1 priority. Get a confirmation mail within 12 hours and receive the product within 5 to 10 days. Urgent order according to your request is also available. GSJJ provides you with one-stop customization solutions. You will enjoy free design, free shipping, top-quality custom products, and all-around pre-sales and after-sales services. Now please enjoy our delicate products and try our system.